Hey guys, you've seen my last video. I'm gonna make a neon. So you gotta watch this right now on my screen. Or come with me.
Where are you?
Go where the magical door is. Under the water.
I was literally at the water.
Well, sucks to be you.
And my pet needs to...
We're gonna do this, people! Okay. Okay, just gonna place you right there. Okay, I'm gonna place you right there. I'll place you right there. Only one more pet. And place you right there. What? Ah! Her name is Ruby. Or Robbie, I think. So you did it? Yeah, I got a neon now. She's adorable. Neon pet!
She got a neon dog. You grew up all the time?
Yeah. Next up is a neon rat.
Let me see. Neon.
Yeah, I recorded everything.
Whoa.
She glows in the dark now. Hopefully it's night right now.
No.
I think.
It's not at all.
Well, if it is night, she'll be able to light the way.
Light the way. Neon dog. Crabby. I don't know. Oh my god, this pumpkin is so good.
Ooh, she's even better underwater. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na. She was born a blue dog. Water dog. Clearly she's blue. Let's go make some trades. Ow! I'm stuck now. I'm stuck underwater. Somebody help! I'm stuck. I can't get out. This girl has a golden. She's like just one. Da, 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 da.
Hide.
Why?
You see?
Is a pumpkin carrot? No.
You don't even know what it is.
Can you move? That was my fault. So okay, move.
Everyone can see that turkey's fake. It was a success. Yes. Her name is going to be Sally.
Sally, wow.
Sally. And she's rideable. Ooh, she's fast too. She's real fast. Okay, come here. Come here.
Where?
Over here. I'm gonna show you all the pets I have. Okay, we'll start off with this little guy.
What is it?
He's a rideable. He's a sloth. And he's really fast. Watch this. Okay, second, I have this bee. Her name is Honey.
Okay.
Third, this flyable dragon can fly all the way to the sky.
Okay.
And I have this bee. This other bee.
I know that bee.
It can fly all the way to the sky. Hold up, I gotta make a trade.
The fur?
Who has the worst attitude? Who's the funniest? Who eats the most?
Can I have
Is this worth it actually a flyable bee for a queen bee?
Yes.
Wait, never mind. She said yeah. She said, I don't even know who traded. Okay. Yeah, so that's it. And I have this rat,
Okay.
this rat, this rat, this rat, this rat, this rat, this cat, and this robin. That's all. That's it. That's all.
Okay, and a rat.
Okay.
Got a rat. And is that
Okay.
And a rat.
Okay.
Rat.
And what?
And a rat.
And a rat. Okay, keep going.
Wait.
20 minutes later.
And a rat, and a goose.
A goose.
A goose.
Get on my bed.
A beaver.
A beaver.
A rat.
A rat.
A rat.
A rat.
A rhino.
A rhino.
A snow panther.
Okay.
A cat.
Uh-huh.
A dog.
Uh-huh.
A dog.
Uh-huh.
Robin.
Uh-huh.
A robin.
Uh-huh.
A robin.
Uh-huh.
Hold up. A robin.
Uh-huh.
A robin.
Uh-huh.
And a robin.
Uh-huh.
That's it.
Do you want your robins?
No.
I don't have Robux. I got those.
Picking up the marker
Oh.
and overlapping lines.
Pets. Pets. It's okay. Okay, what kind of animals do I got? Okay, so the cat is the least. Okay. And I have a rat. And a bee. And ooh, yeah, I got a dragon. What I'm hoping for is probably this. Hold up. A unicorn. Or queen bee. Or like a golden rat. Or a golden penguin. Or just anything from here. Anything. Hold up. I can't zoom out. Okay. So, yeah. We's going out now. Oh, I didn't even get to enjoy my rat for one day. I already traded it. What about toys? What is this? Oh. Oh. What? There you go.